regulation of urine formation. The first one is controlled by ADH hormone. ADH is nothing but antidiuretic hormone, also called as vasopressin. There are 4 steps that you have to remember. First one is antidiuretic hormone is released by posterior pituitary. The second one is large amount of water in urine is known as diuresis. The third one is action of ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, is to absorb water, thus making the urine hypertonic. The last one is that the regulation of water by antidiuretic hormone is an example of homeostasis feedback mechanism. The second one is controlled by JGA, that is juxtaglomerular apparatus. When the body loses sodium ions and chlorine ions, it loses water also by osmosis. This results in low blood volume or blood pressure. This is being detected by JGA, that is the juxtaglomerular apparatus, and this releases an enzyme called renin. This juxtaglomerular apparatus is present in Bowman's capsule. It releases an enzyme called renin into the bloodstream, and this activates the angiotensin. This renin activates the angiotensin, and this angiotensin releases aldosterone, and this aldosterone stimulates reabsorption of Na plus and water by acting on distal convoluted tubule, that is DCT. This increases blood volume and blood pressure, completing the feedback circuit. That is, Na plus is being reabsorbed by aldosterone. The third one is the role of ANF, that is the atrial natriuretic factor. Increased blood volume and blood pressure, that is, the walls of the atria of heart release ANF in response to an increase in blood volume and blood pressure. ANF in turn inhibits release of renin from JGA, and this reduces the release of aldosterone from adrenal and inhibits NaCl reabsorption by the collecting duct, thereby checking the blood volume and blood pressure. So here less reabsorption of NaCl.